Hi, I'm Justine and I'm a Target team member in Minneapolis. I grew up in the Philippines. I grew up in a city called Manila, which is the capital. When I think of the holidays, I always think about Noche Buena, which is what we do on Christmas Eve. Noche Buena is really about the family coming together for this special occasion for the birth of Jesus Christ. We've always dressed to the nines when it came to the holidays. I grew up with my mom and her 4 sisters, so it's always been this girls' party. We do a lot of Spanish food that my grandparents used to make. The food is just so special to me. No matter where we are in the world, we get a little slice of that. When we do our Christmas tree and our decorations, there's this one section of the tree that I like to call the Filipino section. And it has ornaments that I've picked up in the Philippines or are made of capis, which is native to the Philippines. It's that shell material that's actually quite trendy now. It's really special to just let traditions shine, and it's a sense of comfort. I'm actually packing my first balikbayan box. A balikbayan box is a cargo box that gets sent from anywhere in the world straight to the Philippines. It's this large cargo box that gets picked up from your home by your local Filipino store. I don't think there's a weight limit, but you just fill it up with whatever you want, usually things that you can't get in the Philippines. It's usually sent to land right in December so that those gifts can be there under the tree. This is really special to me to get all these goodies in that box for my loved ones. One of my favorite things as a kid was driving through every single neighborhood and looking at people's windows and having these massive stars. The parol is a star-shaped lantern that were just in everyone's window. That's Christmas to me. My husband is thankfully very crafty. It's the first time we're making a parol, and it's really special because my husband has never really made one, and it's so important to me to start the traditions now as we grow our family, as we live here longer. What's great about Andrew discovering my culture and just learning about it is that I'm seeing it through new eyes as well, and the joy he finds from the food and the culture and meeting people has made me appreciate being Filipino even more.
When we go back to the Philippines, all the titas, which is the aunties, they all love me. And when we go out together, they're always on the dance floor.
I'm really excited to pass these traditions on to our kids one day. It will be a mix of what I grew up with, but also pull in a little bit of my husband and what Christmas means from where he's from in Ohio. It's going to be something new and new traditions that we'll have with our family. From my tradition to yours, happy holidays.